Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 8 latest defense updates. Number 1, Eurofighter has intensified its campaign to secure MRFA deal. The Eurofighter Typhoon Consortium has quietly intensified its campaign to secure the Indian Air Force lucrative tender for 114 fighter jets under the MRFA program. This consortium has reportedly raised concerns with the Indian Ministry of Defence regarding Dassault Aviation's ability to meet India's price expectations and delivery timelines for its Rafale jets, which are also competing in the MRFA program. Next, Project 76, an update. India's quest for self-reliance in underwater warfare takes a significant leap forward with Project 76, a program aimed at developing next-generation indigenous submarine equipped with a vertical launching system (VLS). This marks a major advancement in India's naval capability, offering the potential to launch long-range land attack and anti-ship cruise missiles, significantly enhancing offensive and defensive capabilities. Project 76 submarines are being designed by the Warship Design Bureau with a targeted displacement of 3,000 tons. This design choice offers greater submerged volume compared to various previous classes, allowing for advanced features and increased operational flexibilities. Next, private sector for MRFA fighter jet production. A senior Indian Air Force official speaking anonymously has expressed a preference for private sector companies to be involved in the production of the fighter jet chosen in the upcoming MRFA, that is multi-role fighter aircraft tender. This tender aims to acquire 114 fighter jets for the IAF. Next, India to get first MQ9B UAVs from General Atomics in 2027. In a significant boost to its unmanned aerial capabilities, the Indian Armed Forces have received approval from the Cabinet Committee on Security to procure 31 MQ9B unmanned aerial vehicles from the US-based General Atomics. The deal, which has been under consideration for some time, is expected to be signed by the end of 2024, with initial deliveries slated for late 2027 or early 2028. The MQ9B UAV, an advanced and highly versatile drone platform, is renowned for its intelligence, surveillance and reconnaissance capabilities as well as its strike potential. Next, SDR trials for Tejas MK2 program. The Aeronautical Development Agency is poised to initiate trials of the software-defined radio technology that will be integrated into the Tejas MK2 program. This marks a crucial milestone in the development of advanced communication capabilities for India's indigenous fighter aircraft. ADA has commenced testing 2 SDR units. One SDR will undergo rigorous environmental stress screening to ensure its resilience in demanding operating conditions. The other SDR will be subjected to safety of flight testing to verify its reliability and performance in real-world flight scenarios. Next, Aditi 1.0 challenge won by Paras Anti-Drone Technologies. Paras Anti-Drone Technologies, a subsidiary of Paras Defense and Space Technologies, has won the Aditi 1.0 challenge for mobile ground station in S/X/Ka band for transmitting and receiving data from satellites. The scheme challenge was launched by Defense Innovation Organization under the development of DDP, Government of India. As per the scheme, Paras Anti-Drone Technologies is eligible for a grant amount up to 50% of the product development budget with a maximum limit of rupees 25 crore. Next, drone technology on the rise. India is poised to achieve complete self-reliance in drone technology, according to R. Shivaraman, co-founder of Big Bang Boom Solutions, a leading defense startup. The significant development will enable the country to deploy both armed and unmanned aerial vehicles for tactical missions and intelligence, surveillance and reconnaissance purposes against its adversaries. Next, dramatic eruptions from Steller Wreckage captured by ASTRO SAT and NASA. India's ASTRO SAT and NASA space observatories have captured dramatic eruptions from Steller Wreckage around a massive black hole, the ISRO said on Thursday. A massive black hole has torn apart one star and is now using the stellar wreckage to pummel another star or smaller black hole that used to be in the clear. This discovery was made using NASA's Space Observation Chandra, HST, NISA, SWIFT and ISRO's ASTRO SAT, the Indian Space Agency said. Thank you.